Hey guys, Josh from Service Photo here. Today I wanted to show you guys how to mix ambient light with flash, and today we're going to take a photo of this awesome old film camera that we have, so be sure to check it out. So here's the hobo light we're going to use for the ambient light, and here's our film camera from Minolta here. Then I'm going to be using a Nikon Z6, SB-700, and SU-800 to actually control the light. Here we go, setting up the light like a little bit warmer tone, so that's what we're going to set it for here. So what I'm going to do first is to expose for the actual ambient light before we add in our flash. So here we are taking a photo of it just to see what it looks like before we get started. Looks like money, so now we're going to add in our flash. Here's the SU-800, so we can use this to actually set off our SB-700 as you see here. So I'm setting the flash on remote so it can be triggered by the SU-800, and once I do that, we're all set, ready to shoot this next shot. So here we are, see how it looks, and this is our final result. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos. Enjoy!